Winter's Craft Garden. Yeah! I love the rain. I better go inside! Welcome back to Winter's Craft Garden. I hope you're happy and I hope you're healthy. I just lost my umbrella outside in the rain. My umbrella tried to find gravity and it did. It's probably in Oz right now. Hey, I have an idea. I'm going to make my own umbrella. That's better. Let's get started. Ooh. We're gonna need some hot glue. And then we're gonna need this little glue stick. Make sure it's washable too. One circle. A bunch of other circles. 5 little box things for the stuff for our craft. Alright, you're going to need 5 to 10 circles, and you're going to take one and then you're going to smack it in half. Make sure to push it down, and then you're going to smack it this way. Smack! You're going to continue to do that until all your circles are folded. They're just like a bunch of fans. Now that they're all folded, here is the top. So you should be holding it like this, and here is the bottom. Now take your glue stick. Oh man, this glue. There we go. And you're gonna glue these. Bam! Stick it. And you're gonna sit on it to make sure it stays. You don't have to sit on it. You can just put something heavy on it to make sure it sticks. And you're gonna take my next color. You're gonna do this. And you're gonna glue this side. Then make sure it's like the spine of the book. So you line it up. Then press it down. You do the same thing. Smack it. If you haven't already noticed, I'm doing it in Roji Brief, aka Rainbow Order. Here we go. Sit. I feel like each time I sit on here, I get higher and higher. Next, I need the pole for the umbrella. Now you need to carefully open our umbrellas. Do not glue the sides yet. You're gonna take your hot glue gun, carefully glue it. And then you're gonna take the stick. I want the top of the umbrella to have a point. You're going to take your glue stick, glue one side. hold it like this. Your umbrella is done. Don't actually take it out in the rain because the paper's gonna fall off and then it's gonna be ruined. Now I'm prepared. And remember, it's okay to ask for help. This was tricky. Bye. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your umbrellas.